My dear students of 10th standard, nowadays we are doing revision. Already we have completed the portion, all the lessons and the chemistry part already completed, and we are doing revision. The last lesson, carbon and its compounds, we revised just now, and now we are moving to that seventh lesson, atoms and molecule, for revision. And you know that first week of December you are going to write exam, common exam, and you have to do it well. And we send the portion, you prepare well, and write the test sincerely, neatly at home, and you have to come and submit in the office, and everything will be informed to you through WhatsApp, timetable, portion, and everything will be informed. You have to go according to that. Now we are going to revise that seventh unit, science book, seventh unit, atoms and molecule, textbook evaluation. Already we did revision once again. When you go and choose the best answer. See which of the following has the smallest mass out of 6.023 in 10 power 23 atoms of helium, 1 atom of helium, 2 gram of helium, 1 mole atom of helium. See, 1 atom of helium is the smallest mass. The reason is given, see, 6.0 to 10 power 23 atoms of helium, that is equal to 1 mole. Because 6.0 to 10 power 23 atom means 1 mole. Avogadro number, that is 1 mole. So mass of 1 mole, that is 4 gram. So it's going to be 0.004 kilogram. Similarly, mass of 1 atom of helium here, that is 0.004 by Avogadro number, that is 6.0423 minus 27 kg. And 2 gram of helium, 0.002 kilogram. 1 mole of helium, 0.004 kilogram. So the smallest mass out of all the four options is 6.6423 10 power minus 27 kg. That is option A. Then which of the following is a triatomic molecule? Carbon dioxide formula CO2. CO2 2 plus 1 3 atom. Then the volume occupied by 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide at STP is 2.24 liter. Actually, the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. If 44 gram means that is going to be 22.4 liter. The value will be 22 point. But here 4.4 gram is given. So when you are going to divide, you will get 2.24 liter. Then next, that is fourth question. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom is 14 gram. Mass, it is given mass, so 14 gram. Then which of the following represent one atomic mass unit? That is option C, 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12 atom. Then which of the following statement is incorrect? It is option A, 1 gram carbon 12 contain Avogadro number of atoms. Then the volume occupied by 1 mole of diatomic gas at STP. So any gas at STP occupy, that is gram molar volume 22.4 liter. In the nucleus of calcium 2040, there are 20 protons and 20 neutrons. So 20 is the atomic number, 40 is the mass number. To find out the number of neutron, n is equal to A minus Z, that is a 40 minus 20, so 20 neutron. Then the gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule, for molecular formula O2, 1 oxygen 16, so 2 into 16, 32 gram. Then next one, that is 1 mole of any substance contain Avogadro number of molecule. What is the value of Avogadro number? 6.023 10 power 26. Then Phillips, atoms of different element having same mass number but different atomic number are called isobar. Atoms of different element having same number of neutrons are called isotones. Atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other element by artificial transmutation. The sum of the members of protons and neutrons of an atom is called mass number. So mass number A is equal to proton plus neutron. Relative atomic mass is otherwise called standard atomic weight. The average atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 atomic mass unit. If a molecule is made of similar kind of atom, then it is called a homoatomic molecule. Homo means same kind. Suppose if a molecule is made of different kinds of atom, means different kind, that is heteroatomic molecule. The number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. 1 mole of any gas occupy 22,400 ml at STP. Here it is given in the unit of ml. Suppose it is given liter, means 22.4 liter you have tried. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4 because the formula is P4. So 4 atoms in a molecule. Then match the following. 8 gram of oxygen, that is 0.25 mole. What is the formula? Formula is given here. See, number of moles equal to mass by molecular mass. Suppose the substance is given in molecule, you have to try use the formula mass by molecular mass. Suppose the given substance is in the form of atom, you have to use mass by atomic mass. So 8 gram of oxygen means that is a molecule, oxygen is molecule, 8 by 32, molecular mass of oxygen 32, so 8 by 32 0.25 mole. The similar method is used to find out the answer for all the question. 4 gram of hydrogen, that is 2 mole, 52 gram of helium, that is 13 mole, then 112 gram of nitrogen 4 mole, 35.5 gram of chlorine 0.5 mole. Then true or false? If false is give the correct statement. Two elements sometimes can form more than one compound. True. So carbon and hydrogen combine to give different kinds of element in the hydrocarbon. Noble gases are diatomic. False. Noble gases are monoatomic. Helium, neon, argon are monatomic form. The gram atomic mass of an element has no unit. So false, because we are using the unit of gram. So the gram atomic mass of element is expressed in the unit of gram. 1 mole of gold and silver contain same number of atoms. True. So molar mass of carbon dioxide is 42 gram. That is wrong. Carbon atomic mass 12, oxygen 16, 2 oxygen 32, so 44 gram. Then next to see, that is assertion and reason. Answer the following question using the data given below. So first one, atomic mass of aluminum is 27, Reason, an atom of aluminum is 27 times heavier than 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12 atom. So A and R are correct. R explains E. Then second one, the relative molecular mass of chlorine is 35.5 atomic mass unit. Reason, the natural abundance of chlorine isotopes are not equal. So A and R are correct. R explains E. Then short answer, define relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass of element is the ratio between the average mass of its isotope 1 by 12th part of mass of carbon 12 atom. It is denoted by AR. AR means relative atomic mass. So relative atomic mass is equal to average mass of the isotope of the element divided by 1 by 12th mass of one carbon 12 atom. Then write a different type of isotopes of oxygen and its percentage abundance. So here it is given that isotope of oxygen 816, 817, 818. Then mass and abundance is given, and to find out the average percentage we have to add everything and get the sum. Then next see, define atomicity. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called atomicity. Given two examples of heteroatomic molecule, heterodiatomic molecule, hydrogen chloride, sodium chloride, and there are so many compounds are there. We can write then. What is molar volume of gas? 1 mole of any gas occupy 22.4 liter. This volume is called molar volume. Find the percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Molar mass 14 plus 3 17. So mass of nitrogen 14 by 1700, that is 82.35%. Then see, that is a long answer. Calculate the number of water molecule present in 1 drop of water, which weighs 0.18 gram. So molecular mass can be calculated multiplying the atomic mass with the number of atoms. H2, hydrogen atomic mass 1, 2 atom, 2 into 1. Oxygen atomic mass 16, 1 atom, 1 into 16. So the molecular mass of water is 18 gram. And here 0.18 gram of water, we are going to calculate the weight of the number of molecule in 1 drop. That is 1 by 18 into 0.18, that is 0.01 mole. This is the mole in 0.18 gram of water. And 1 mole of water always occupy Avogadro number. So 0.01 mole of water contain, that is 6.0 to the 10 power 21 molecule. Then nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia. So 1 mole of nitrogen, that is 28 gram. 1 mole means N2, nitrogen atomic mass 14, 2 into 14, 28 gram. 3 moles of hydrogen, 6 gram. 2 moles of ammonia, 1 mole of ammonia, that is 17, 2 mole 34. Then calculate the number of moles in 27 gram of aluminium, 1.51 in 10 power 23 molecules of ammonium chloride, 27 gram of aluminium. Formula is number of moles equal to mass by atomic mass. Mass by atomic mass or mass by molecular mass. So here, that is first one, number of moles for aluminium 27, and its atomic mass also 27. So the number of mole is 1. And 1.5 and 10 power 23 molecule of ammonium chloride, formula number of molecule by Avogadro number. So 1.5 and 10 power 23 divided by Avogadro number value 6.02 to 10 power 23. So 0.25 mole. Then The salient features of modern atomic theory, important question, that is atom is no longer indivisible, atom is divisible. The atoms of same element may have different atomic mass. For example, isotope. Atoms of different element may have same atomic mass. Isobar. Atoms of one element can be transmitted to the atom of other element. In other words, atom is no longer indestructible. That is artificial transmutation. Atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. Atom is the smallest particle that take part in a chemical reaction. The mass of an atom can be converted into E is equal to mc square. Then next one important question, that is there is a relationship between relative molecular mass and the vapor density. First you have to write what is a molecular mass, what is vapor density. So molecular mass is the that is the ratio between mass of molecule of gas to the mass of atom of hydrogen. Vapor density is the ratio between mass of certain volume of gas or vapor to the same volume of hydrogen. So these two for definition you have to write, then you have to write the derivation, then you have to compile the derivation. So vapor density is equal to mass of given volume of gas by mass of same volume of hydrogen. So according to the Avogadro law, equal volume of gases contain equal number of molecules. So mass of n molecule of gas by mass of n molecule of hydrogen. Suppose n molecule means we have to consider n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means mass of 1 molecule of gas to mass of 1 molecule of hydrogen. So we already learned 1 molecule of hydrogen means that is nothing but it is H2. It is the formula of hydrogen, H2. So H2, there are two atoms of hydrogen. So we can write a mass of 1 molecule of gas to mass of 2 atoms of hydrogen, and by the definition of relative molecular mass and vapor density we can write mass of 1 molecule of gas by 2 into mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. So the mass of 1 molecule of gas by mass of 1 atom of hydrogen, nothing but that is a relative molecular mass according to hydrogen scale. So we can write 2 into vapor density is equal to relative molecular mass of gas. Then hard question, calcium carbonate is decomposed on heating. The formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. On decomposition, on heating, decompose split into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So there are questions, how many moles of calcium carbonate? Here only 1 mole of calcium carbonate is taking part in the reaction. Then calculate the gram molecular mass of calcium carbonate using the atomic mass of calcium, carbon and oxygen. We can get the gram molecular mass. So calcium 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16. So 40 plus 12 plus 3 into 16, that is 100 gram. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide is evolved during this chemical reaction. So how many moles of carbon dioxide in the reaction? There are only 1 mole of carbon dioxide is involved. So my dear students, you have to go through all these. Also there are solved problems and problems also there. You go through all the questions, question and answer, revise thoroughly and get ready for the exam which will be conducted next week, that is first week of December, and using that mark sometime using that mark you will be given that promotion. So don't waste the time, prepare sincerely, do the exam sincerely, and according to the direction given through WhatsApp you do it. Thank you, God bless you.